Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a two command is very important command is learn here. Guys, CATIA lecture 88 is discussed here and CATIA sheet metal 3D commands learn easily. Explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay guys, two command is very important. First is hole and second is corner relief. Okay, at first drawing a any design created. Okay, one by one is discussed here easily. Okay, at first open a CATIA software. Okay, this is a 3D body is drawing here, and then use a two command is a discuss here. First is hole and second is corner relief, and this is a this command. Okay, this command is very important. First is a hole and second is a circular cut. Okay, corner relief. Okay, this is a corner relief. Okay, first is a hole and second is corner relief. Okay, and circular cut. Next video is okay guys. Okay, this body is perfect. Okay, this body is perfect, and 2 point is discussed here. Two command, first is hole and second is corner relief. Okay, this is a corner relief and this is a hole. This is a hole and this is a corner relief. Okay, okay at first drawing a hole, click a hole. Okay, and hole is a drawing here anywhere. This is a hole. Okay, hole is a blind up to next, up to last, up to plane, up to surface. Okay, blind means diameter and depth is increase. Okay, this is a depth is increase and diameter is also increase. Okay, this is a correct. Reverse direction and this is a correct. Okay, preview is showing here. This is a increase and also increase. Okay, this is a correct. Hole is created. Okay, again this body is a hole and this is a correct. Okay, this hole is also, this is a correct. Okay, this hole is a created here. Okay, this is a hole is created here. Okay, this is a this hole is also created here. Okay, this is a this body is a this is a perfect. Okay, body is correct, and okay this is a this. Okay, this is a perfect. This hole is created here, and this face one by one. Okay, this is a correct, and this is also this. Okay, correct here. Okay, also this correct here, and also this is a this, and this is a increase, and this is a depth is increase. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect. Hole is a this is also perfect. Next point is a cut. Next point is a okay, this is a perfect point is discussed here. Second point is a corner relief. Corner relief is very important command is discussed here, because corner relief is a very must command is you learn. Okay, select at first corner relief dialog box is pop up, and is a two type of, first is a circular, second is a square. Okay, this is a circular corner created and square corner created. One by one discuss here. Okay, circular corner support first and support second. Okay, this is a support first and support second. Create a red light. This is a perfect, and size is increase. This is a cut a circular. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a cut here a perfect and this is a nice cutting here. And next is a corner relief, this is a square, and this support first, support second, and this is a square and size is increase and cutting a square. Okay, this is a cut, body is a square. Okay, this is a square cut. Okay, very nice cutting here and super perfect body. Okay, okay, this is a perfect cutting here. And guys, corner relief and hole is discussed here easily and very nice. And this is isometric view is drawing here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a okay. Okay, guys, this corner relief and hole command is discussed here very easily, and I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, get any doubt about this lecture, you go to comment box and write a comment. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.